zishughuli.
No mwelio ye nigo serikali chechi county cha Bolirigwe kweneke bunangolenda bale amazingira asokobwate amaragali ya serikali ya Rule bunenchire ya moyo gutanga ogochenchia kwelire.
Ni mizo kuu ambaro serikali inafanya tuweze kuwajibika kama tutachukua hatua kila mtu kuweza kupanga vile ambavyo atashughulikia taka yenye inatoka kwake. Hatuwezi kuwa na kazi ya matumizi mengine ili county government nayo ifuate kila dakika kuokota uchafu ambao tumetoa kwetu sisi wenyewe.
Ginko ripoti ligetaseni kikia wanjite kia Getembe kuroigase Ekeonga Nyamira inchego nguru kwa Polycarp Okara.
Na umudareta wa Ekeonga kia nema kuruwasi Ekeonga Nyamira asirita Fredrick Nambisia niganyaka wakakubulia Bakenya kuganda kubugatia amachiko alialebekire n'Ekeonga kia nema eliokunyaka waba kulinda nonyane kwa mugabo anemono Nambisia niganyaka wakakuonera amasakara aya abeire gagutumeka soko imwe kishindaga chimurero atanyaka wagotani kwa masakara yu agochangia gusabwa tiri bagali nene ase okoreta amaroire ase emebere muri gito fatika digesemba igatwale ndoroboti ruwa senjira yobikirana.
Omo director w'Ekeonga kia nema imeye county ya Nyamira Fredrick Nambisia mukureire umunyamira aitange n'obutumeki bwa masakara ayo atuguteretware amana serikali omwaka w'ekirubire na 2012 anene ase okupogoreria endagera ya murero onanigo obochenu bwa mwanyabantu botarikoba obuya.
Tuache kutumia zile makaratasi zenye zilikuwa ban 2017. Nimeziona hapa town bado ziko. Kuna watu kadhaa bado wanazitumia. Ningependa kuwahimiza tafadhali mwache kutumia zile makaratasi because ziko na madhara. Ile environment could divide. Jaribu kuwasha hiyo karatasi inawaka kama iko na petroli. It means it is made up of petrochemical materials. Akikuwekea chips ama kitu moto ina diffuse into hiyo chakula. Ukikula utakuwa na madhara baadaye. Utakuja kujua baadaye that hii kitu ndo iko na effects.
Ensema yaye omo county commissioner Unyamira Erastus Mbui ubasoroire umunyamira kurenda amasingira nonye korwase chinga cyabo wetirase ukoyebeka eubi amo eria ekorwa mugondo erio bayetumye ase okoroisia oboyo opwo buragereri gesari yabo gokina.
Ni mizo kuu ambaro serikali inafanya tuweze kuwajibika kama tutachukua hatua kila mtu kuweza kupanga vile ambavyo atashughulikia taka yenye inatoka kwake. Katika ile mahali unakaa unaweza kuwa na pit ama tank ambayo unaweka ili wakati gari hilo linapita linaokota kabla haijachafua, ama iwe unaitengeneza inakuwa mbolea pale kwako. Kama haiwezi kuoza unaiweka katika hali ambayo unaweza kuipeana wale wanazoa hiyo taka ikiwa haijachafua kwingineko.
Kubatikana na jaiga bamusabire umunyamira kurenda obochenu nonyenekero bari ase chichiro erio kubeka eubi ase ebwenerete.
Ukiangalia masoko zetu huwa inarushwa kila mahali. Ningependa kusema kwamba usafi unaanza na mimi. Usafi inaanza na wewe ili tusaidiane. Jambo la mwisho ni kwamba katika masoko yetu kuna mapipa tumeweka. Kuna mapipa zimewekwa strategically. Tafadhali tupeleke hiyo uchafu katika hizo mapipa.
Ingo ripota ya Getembe kurase wodi ejeiga ya township ejego toka imeye bunge ya West Mugirange County ya Nyamira Mjefatigad Isemba.
Na humwanchwa omo ligerali ko bwatekana amono kuna jogwe kina kikianya to kwa na chwali tukuligoroneka mbere kana kia Bomet nigo igatia ba musia na mono korwa asensemeli ya bunga mashinani banyakaba bakorage kiara na komochia kikambere kia soko tabna ni kyo Kenya to kwa kuingira ensememo na nigo barukire bimanyire byonsi buna nigo barachi kona cha appeal igoro yoko na cha wekambere kyo.
Number 2 como jadi lo ni mingakwana useme mingakwana ngako dunia ni mingawa na sema wako ni kwana and this is the reason why for the last 3 or 4 days abana siasa abakonya okwana lebi bakonya ko celebrate na government meaning okonya rango rwanyorana kora agene justice ngando aba inse Nyamira county majority aba inse 2022 wori ka petition na ne mwato judicial service commission amana yo mojaji ante to wori deep justice come that the judiciary has become too corrupt even for the owner to see.
Honorable Yabaro declared openly that had not decided on that question was based and therefore Yabaro being declared by the court as the speaker duly elected is contrary to the provision of our standing order and the constitution. And therefore, we cannot allow that the court can make consolidated judgment of what matters that are active in other courts. As it stands, with our honorable members, 22 of us, we are agreed with the judgment that was issued today at the moment court. I can say purely it's biasness. We determined the decision because of maybe the influence of Makako.
And we want to call upon the Chief Justice, Martha Koome, that the judicial system is now becoming a playboy that everyone can interfere with. If a whole judge can take the words of a politician, the Senator Okongo Mogeti, and convert it into a judgment, then where are we headed as a nation in terms of justice? It is only the courts that we run to when everyone else is saying that we are wrong. And in our view, the judgment in Bomet is raw and somehow not considering all the factors that ought to be considered.
na umwancho mo ligera chingaki ebunge negente gukwanira igoro y'umuswade bw'ekibesa bumwaka bw'ekirubere na 2025 kirubere na 2025 mo 2025-2026 nigo omujumbe bw'ebunge ya Nyaribali Masaba omuske Dr. Daniel Owoka Manduku anyakaba gakwegerera omuswade oyo na gotaba buna nigo omuswade oyo obwate binte bya imeyaye andamone sanyara kaba gukwanira igoro yokulikwa kwa barokia ba junior secondary nabo gokobeko gw'ekibesa ananamono chikogacha enyagitali ya Kansa Megaduna Cancer Center imeye county ya Kisii gose omochie obosongo.
And knowing that I come from Kisii County, let me highlight that I'm extremely happy to know that this committee has allocated a total of Kenya shillings 1 billion in this financial year for the construction and completion of the Kisii Cancer Center. Mr. Speaker, where we come from, we have serious cases or challenges in the areas of cancer. And with the plans to elevate the Kisii University to a full medical college, we are sure that this center will be a reference in the region and that it will surpass Homa Bay and other neighboring counties in giving or providing quality health care for our people. Mr. Speaker, I am a person who strongly believes in affordable housing. And I want to say that if there were any people who doubted that this country can actually change, they should come and see the new houses at Mukuru Kwanjenga slums. Mr. Speaker, I can assure you that in the next 5 years, we will have magnificent structures housing our people with quality sanitation. And it is in this light, Mr. Speaker, that I want to say and thank this committee for giving adequate resources in ensuring that not only shall we complete the ongoing affordable housing projects, but also that we shall have decent markets spread across every constituency. And I dare say that these markets will be game changers because they come with proper sanitation, proper working spaces, places for mothers and children to rest, accessibility, safety, and security. Mr. Speaker, this committee has also recommended that money is set aside for the payment of the universal health staff who've been out here on many days. I want to thank the committee also for setting aside funds for the recruitment of the junior secondary school interns. Mr. Speaker, these are areas that, if well funded and well supervised, would make a big and significant change in the development of our country. Mr. Speaker, there's something else that many members have not talked about, and this is in line with the innovative way of securitizing the road maintenance levy, so that we can have most of our projects or road projects that have stalled for long being able to be complete.
Na mwanchomo ligerali omo jumbe bwe bunge ya Tigania East Omusike Mburi Aburi nigo aesokireli tukolia lero imeye bunge na gusaba mabira kubwatikana amono gochika kwanya kubokurugwa nomo nomugere monne we bunge yo Omusike Moses Masika wetangura na ngo bwatikana una nechibicha kijanya kwachika soka sekekege yaitire ejije ngorokia abajumbe babere abasobati bakurwana isiko ya magache bunge na nigo kubwatikana nege korekyo nigo Omusike Aburi atoge Tenga ero bwatete chibichecho na magaya kwirira chibichecho kubwatukana gutara ase emetandao.
I will give you have you looked at the Hansard on what the speaker ruled yesterday?
Yes, sir. Yes.
And what the speaker directed?
Yes.
Is now your opportunity to purge your mischief.
Asante Bwana Speaker. Kwa kunipa nafasi hii.
Speak loud, I can't hear you.
Yeah. Asante Bwana Speaker kwa kunipa nafasi hii. Kwanza mimi kwa roho yangu na akili yangu niko hapa kusema pole kwa mheshimiwa dada yangu, kwa sababu mimi mwenyewe nilikosea nikachukua ile video, na ile video ni mporo mtu Aburi mwenyewe ndiye alichukua, lakini baadaye mheshimiwa Speaker tukiwa na ndugu zetu na marafiki wetu pale nje pale, mmoja akaniambia nimsambazie, nikasambaza. Sikuwa najua eti ya kwamba hiyo kitu itaeni nje, kwa sababu hii ilikuwa ni kuharibu jina. Kwa hivyo mimi kivyangu, mheshimiwa Speaker, nasema pole na hiyo nisamehewe. Maandiko nasema kwamba hakuna dhambi yoyote duniani haiwezi kusamehewa, hata iko rendi kama damu. So mimi kivyangu, Mheshimiwa Speaker, naomba msamaha. Thank you, Speaker.
Well done, Aburi. Yeah. Asante sana Mheshimiwa Aburi. The Holy Book, the Bible, has one central message, that the beginning of healing lies in the acknowledgement of wrongdoing and the subsequent.
Abo igo mwancho omurigereri nigo omostena tabwe county ya Nandi Omusike Samson Jiragei anyare koba aga komochia abajumbe kubwatakana amono bagi bwechibesa gochia county kolengana no Omusike Jiragei nigo abajumbe abo batararukyo moyo nebirengereri ebija kubwatuka chibesa chinge gochia county nabo igotika chinyinge ase serikali enene.
And as a Senate, we are going for mediation. It cannot be that the budget of Kenya is 4 trillion Kenya shillings. Yet you want to give counties 401 billion. It is very unfair. And their only argument is corruption. Even national government, there is a lot of corruption. So members of National Assembly must be honest with Kenyans. What are they doing to fight corruption in national government? Because the only excuse is we need, and I'm disappointed because I supported the increment of 465 billion to counties, because I want more money to come to Mashinani so that we can fix roads, we can fix hospitals, we can buy drugs, we can get young people. That 4 trillion Kenyan shillings is a lot. So if you give only 400 billion to counties, you are killing counties. In fact, my proposal going into the future, we must give counties 50% of the national shareable revenue so that counties can work. So National Assembly, what they did there, they are becoming a threat to devolution in the country. because devolution must work for the benefit of Kenyans. And we are going for mediation. Our position as a Senate will never change.
Na boigo mwanchu muligereri omokonyi bomuraibu ense musike Professor Haron Githure Kindiki nigaboliri abana siasa nabarai gosira aba Kenya chinga kichiga chia bono siasa chitarai kange atanya ko bagotabuna ne tabiembe bakorokia chinga kibago chikonyara ka bakwero kibuna nkojara bali bagosira aba Kenya chinga kichia siasa chinga kibataite chikura musike Professor Githure Kindiki nigakwana yu ase etaro yaye yamagendro gosio gosira ebyombe ao ime ye county ya Kitui.
Wakati wa kukumbuka akina mama ni saa hii. Wakati wa kukumbuka watu ya bodaboda ni saa hii. Sio siku ya campaign. Ati saa hiyo ndio unakumbuka kuna bodaboda unawanunulia reflector ya shilingi 50 kuwadanganya. Na ndio umeona tumekuja hapa, sisi tumekuja hapa leo ambao tumekuja kwa mwaliko ya mbunge wetu Nimrod. Amesema sasa ndio wakati wa kusimama na nyinyi. Sio kesho, ni sasa hivi. Na sio kusimama na nyinyi kwa mdomo tu, ni kwa matendo. Biashara zenu tuwasaidie zipanuke, ziinuke. Saa hii hakuna campaign. Ndio siku ile tutakuja siku ya campaign kwa sababu itafika. Tuwe na kitu ya kusema. Ile tulifanyia wananchi wakati hakukuwa na campaign. Kweli si kweli? Na wale wengine wote tunawaomba pia wafanye bidii. Ndio tukutane hapo tushindane siku ya kampeni ni nani amefanya zaidi ya wale wengine. Kwa sababu wale watu wanazunguka hii Kenya yote, hakuna mmoja hajakuwa kuwa kiongozi. Wote wamekuwa viongozi wa ngazi mbalimbali. Kwa hivyo kila mtu atakuja na taarifa yake mwenyewe ile kazi alifanya siku ile alikuwa na nafasi ya uongozi. Rais, msiwe na wasiwasi. Ate kunaweza kuwa sijui na machafuko, we cannot allow. Na
gukorero mwancho muligereri omo raibu ense omoske William Ruto niganyare koba gakoenekia gosega koigerera omorobelio moyia abo gwakana chibesa chisukuru chi university atadabuna onyetali omorobelio konango chi university nyinge nigo chianyare koba chigo siekwa moske Ruto nigare gukwana yo chinga kyombirana nigatia barai gosena barai bage siasa korwa ase county ya Siaya imeyamagacho boraibu ense State House.
We have also the student-centered funding model that looks at the ability of every student to learn. So it was necessary for us to organize that education sector. You know very well, whether it is the university in Bondo or the university in Maseno, they were struggling. If we have a vice chancellor here, they will tell you that the old funding model could have closed our universities. Because we lied to them. We told them we are going to give you 80% for every student, and we did not, because we didn't have money. We are now realistic. We are telling them, for students who come from vulnerable families, we are giving you 90% scholarship. The parents pay the balance. The student of Orengo and myself, we get 30% scholarship, we pay for the rest. And we give loan for the rest. I mean, it just makes sense. Because my child, I was paying 200,000 in a private school every term. I am being asked to pay 40,000 for a year in the university. Is that too much to ask, really?
Mwanjwa omo ligereli nigo chia itire jidaika 25 igoro Chinsa Ibere chia bana maragoba na igo no to gukorera buga omorobeli wose Ekeonga Chinsa Ibere emagoroba ya rero kurende to kwerna sensemeli ya kabere ye studio nigo to kujikonyara gabato komera na Dr. Kena Mose Onzarigo korwa senyagita World Fit Health Center nyaga bato koligerelia ase amangana igoro yokomenya okuya kebo chenu nje nigongoro kwa Haron Ototo nyangiri kuna nsema menyerio nigakoro kwa Wilson Makoli na kuna nsema transfer nigakoro kwa DJ Atsan na nsema ya kabere boigo nigongo gotigana bosemi bwa Getembe korwa ase omugaka Ochoi Nyambasura.
Bagaka ninjo ninjo Getembe ninjo dorome ninjo manana ninjo bangina ninjo
tio na kerenge nago kongita tonda ne kero toteno chimpege chiokaru mbara kirasa kitata ona gesio aje kore ne gesio kongeri obwatera abu kabisa unagesio na kerenge nago kongya kabe chinguru tiono kabe tesi ya busa yo kene ngiri okora ayono bweta berete umungino uria yayi mumuro uria kene no mbona nyokote berete nyokore ndete nero ko ibintu tiga mangana bunayi diginaye bia unagesio egesigeri kwae irunya hakoete na kebeke buya kebwate kerende buya kigitere buya eliegere unagesio na kerenge nago kongya oronya mugondo onye nobo engori obukwairi gose no koingora ukongora kiabande ka koingore rundi ya bande ye engora buya tika ko mo engori ore umututuka numwetuka ngobugeka kai unagesio kukwabene gesiekyo kongichi intenge kabisa na dio ra konyake naye
Bagaka ninjo, ninjo getembe, ninjo darome, ninjo manana mazi, ninjo bagina ninjo.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza ya nchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyuko ya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achebwirigirie amabati anda unsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntobwate team tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cyo tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unamono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibigo babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia ye chigage emerongibire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe gwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochkunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo guchane warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores igiye gutoka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumucho yigo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera se namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Ine kwabeire gukorera asenga kintambe guse nigo kwarwalire na gusalia enibo enyinge bono tokwa omoyo inyagitali ya World Fit Health Centers nero lichibuliao nyuranga nonyorobu wenia bwa maruire amange abuna amaruire yesukali amaruire yenda amaruire yomogongo na yande amange.
We call your prostate eno borwere bwasumbuira bagakenga abagaka sana bwe sukari, what you call the genesis of diabetes. Ngaki borwere bwe sukari boso